let's talk about like what we're doing. How do we handle volatile times? For me,
is this volatile?
Yeah, dude. I saw the shot across the bow October 10th. I was running almost 3x margin through September. Right now, I got no margin, raised cash. You know, we're in a lot of energy, healthcare, defensive stuff, uncorrelated stuff, bonds. Totally just took out all of my speculative growth exposure. That ended up being the right move. Took me about 4 or 5 weeks to get it all done, putting a lot of market cap back on the market. But now I'm kind of in a position where I feel like I did the right thing to get to ride through this volatility. And my focus is now on like, are we recovering? Are we repairing damage? Is there a tradable low in? When can I go back and hit the gas again? But when I look at the action from yesterday, we're seeing the opposite of what bulls want to see, right? I've been here complaining about weak market internals, trashy risk appetite, bad tapes, bears being in control for 6 weeks now. Now you're finally seeing that bleed over to the major averages, the Mag 7s, all the biggest, best stocks in the market. You really can't touch large cap tech right now. Try to trade a software stock in the last 3 weeks. Good luck. Now semiconductors are starting to look a lot more like software. Put out a note yesterday, and I straight up said, look, a couple weeks ago, I was sitting here thinking software is going to catch higher to semiconductors. That's not what's happening, right? No. Semiconductors are very much catching lower to software. So the lagging groups, you got the same thing going on in crypto, right? The good ones caught down to the weak ones. MicroStrategy ended up being the best signal there. We talked about a couple weeks ago. Remember, JC? I said the catch down opportunity in Bitcoin miners right now is off the charts. Look at something like Mara, Riot, CLSK right now. These stocks have been absolutely clobbered. Mara's on its way to zero already. So is MicroStrategy, by the way.